Here's something DJI didn't spell out clearly. The newly surfaced quick start guide for the Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo makes no mention of an official water resistance rating. That absence is important. Over the past 24 hours, I've gone to the leaked documentation page by page, cross-checking it against prior models and known IP certification requirements. And what stands out is not what's new, but what's missing. If you follow early hardware leaks, launch timing signals, and buying decisions before they become obvious, subscribe so you stay ahead of the curve instead of reacting after release day. The guide references a micro SD card slot with a protective cover, which at first glance might suggest some level of environmental protection. But a covered slot on its own does not equal waterproofing. At best, that kind of design typically helps with dust resistance or minor splashes. True water resistance, especially anything qualifying for an IP rating, would require comprehensive internal sealing across every vulnerable component. That includes the physical buttons, the USB-C port, speaker openings, and most critically, the rotating touchscreen hinge. And that hinge is where things become technically complicated. A rotatable screen introduces mechanical movement, and mechanical movement creates natural points of ingress. Achieving a meaningful IP rating with that kind of articulation would demand a more significant internal redesign than what appears in the documentation. Based on the visible details in the guide, what we're likely seeing is incremental durability improvement rather than full water resistance. As of now, there is no confirmed IP certification mentioned anywhere in the material, and until DJI states otherwise, waterproofing remains unverified. On pricing, current industry expectations place the Creator Combo at around $669. That figure would position it slightly above the previous generation, aligning with modest refinements rather than a dramatic overhaul. DJI has historically followed a measured pricing strategy with the Osmo Pocket line, adjusting upward when adding usability enhancements or bundle value. The Creator Combo branding strongly implies a curated accessory package for content creators, which would justify the projected increase. Official confirmation should arrive closer to launch, but at this stage, the estimate appears consistent with DJI's past behavior. The appearance of the full quick start guide in public circulation isn't particularly shocking. Earlier hands-on leaks and retail packaging images had already indicated that development was on schedule. The anticipated announcement date remains March 26th, and the release of official documentation typically signals that final specifications and marketing assets are nearing completion. In product launch cycles, manual surfacing often mean the company has entered its final preparatory phase. Promotional material tends to follow shortly after documentation is locked. The cover of the guide clearly labels the device as the Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo. An internal layout feels familiar. The camera module remains positioned at the top, preserving the compact, integrated gimbal design that defines the series. The rotating touchscreen continues as the primary interface, carrying forward the practical flip mechanism introduced previously. Structurally and visually, the device closely resembles the Osmo Pocket 3, making it instantly recognizable to existing users. The guide also confirms several hardware elements. A dedicated zoom button is now included, offering more direct framing control without relying solely on touchscreen gestures. A visible status LED is present alongside the 5D joystick for navigation. The shutter and record button remain part of the core layout, and the USB-C port is clearly identified among the physical components. There is also a prominently labeled customizable shortcut button, described as press and hold to assign functions. While shortcut customization existed before, the stronger emphasis in this guide suggests DJI is refining quick access workflows, allowing creators to switch shooting modes more efficiently. Taken as a whole, the Quick Start Guide doesn't introduce any radical surprises. Instead, it reinforces what earlier leaks suggested, a familiar design language paired with thoughtful, practical refinements. The device appears evolutionary rather than revolutionary. The release of official documentation indicates that the launch sequence is advancing toward completion. With March 26 approaching, clearer confirmation on final specifications, pricing, and any additional features should follow shortly. If you're someone who prefers understanding the details before making upgrade decisions, this is exactly where you want to be. This channel is for viewers who like to stay informed on emerging tech before it becomes mainstream. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.